Good morning, guys. So today is day 4 of our level 1 field work, and I hope it's going well for you so far. The first thing that we'll do today is talk about our objectives. You're going to continue what you did yesterday, learning how to document pertinent information about Ray using the occupational therapy practice framework. We want to make sure that you are able to identify and describe the relevant factors related to Ray, be able to describe his habits, routines, rituals, and roles, identify any strengths or supports and barriers that he might have for independence and function, because this is going to be important later on when you're looking at what assessments that you're going to do and also when you're planning your interventions. So the next thing that we'll talk about is what we're going to do today. So you will want to complete the section titled Case History by clicking on each area that's under the column that says Instructions. Take notes in the clipboard because that's what you're going to end up turning in at the end of the day to show your clinical decision making and your rationale behind what things you chose. And it's also a really good place for you to take notes that you'll be able to refer back to later. Make sure that you try to have the orange circle that's to the left of the word case history be as filled up as possible, and because that shows that how well you're doing, and it kind of gives you an idea of how many correct or incorrect questions you're asking. And if you get a green circle, that means you're actually heading towards mastery. Also, when you're going through Simulcase, you may have noticed this, but if you ask a question they consider correct, you get a green prompt. You'll have no prompt at all if the question is one that they consider neutral. And then incorrect questions and responses will be in red. And then at the end of the day, you'll meet with your fieldwork supervisor at a scheduled time that they've worked out with you to debrief. The things to think about and the questions to answer as you're going through today are: what are Ray's contexts and environments? What are his strengths and supports? What are his habits, routines, rituals, and roles? Then you want to write out his occupations and his performance with ADLs and IADLs in the clipboard. List out his client factors and really think about what information from his history is important for you to understand in order to guide your assessments and interventions. And as I said before, at the end of the day today, you'll want to turn in your clipboard prompts and completed case history section by 5 o'clock. And if you have any questions or need anything, don't hesitate to contact us, whoever your fieldwork coordinator is. All right, have a good day, and we'll see you later. Bye.